G'day guys, so I've got a new video for today. Just recently I just got this microphone here. It's the Hollyland Lark Max 2. And yeah, this is not a full-on review because the thing is I just got this today and this is just my first impression. Mo di akong unang ma-think ani nga kanang kuan transmitter. I have a lot of transmitters. I have the Lark M2, I have the Lark M2S and everything, and I have the DJI ones. So on DJI Mic 2, this is the case. It's very good. So settings na to. So this is the one. It's very good. It's small and it's like, yeah, and this is for the Lark Max 2. So mas dako siya. But the difference between this two is that kani siya huot siya. It's high end. It's like rubber coated and it feels so good. Kani kay cloth lang. But the thing is with the DJI, ang iyahang kuan kaning charger is very big, and kaning sa Lark 2 Max, which okay, happy tumutumba. Kaning sa Lark 2 Max is very small, and look at the DJI, it's big, it's heavy, but yeah, it's still good. Thing is, this one is so small, and it feels so good nga. It's very small, it's very light, and yeah, it's a very good item. And since kaning siya kay kanang dili kay siya pareha sa kaning DJI nga puno gyud kayo, this feels smaller even though the bag is bigger. And this bag also contains this one here, which is the monitoring headphones, which is, let me just try to open it. This is the monitoring headphones. So, yeah. Nana siya charger sa kanay mong kuan, sa mong lav mic. Napugid siya kanang monitoring headphones. So it's a very good item. And, yeah. So, I find this one here has a very good microphone, and I really highly recommend it. Yeah. Okay ngon, maglibog ko, dugab ko. Puto siya. Okay. I find that this thing has a very good microphone, and it's very, yeah, I really recommend it. Ang ako lang nabantayan niya is that since I got used to the DJI, naanad ko sa DJI is very kanakuan, intuitive, like swipe down ka, swipe side, swipe up, select, inana ba. So mura gyud yung phone, it's easier for you to navigate. For this one here, na siya duha ka buttons. I can't show you because that thing's there. But anyway, let me just try to show you. So what I've noticed with this one here is that kani siyang ihang kuan, kaning ihang transmitter has two settings here. You have to you set this to you select this, and this is for exit. So mo ni siya ang para exit, and mo ni siya ang para select, and then you scroll, and di siya pareha sa DJI nga, it's like intuitive. You just scroll up, scroll down, swipe up, swipe down. The idea is scroll up, scroll down. Ako sa nintarungon kay wag ayo. So akong nabantayan niya is that ang ihang usa ka button ngari, which is kanang scroll wheel or whatever. This one here, just press it to select, go to the settings, you press that one. This other one here is just for the exit. So you press this, swipe to the menu or katong joystick, katong roller niya. And then you have to exit on the other side. Dili ka nang swipe up, swipe down. Ang exit mo na ay murag touch pad nga rin murag circle. So it's not, it needs getting used to. Especially if gikan ka sa phone, you know phones and you know DJI, you have to have an exit exit thing. Is maanad ka, but the thing is it's there and murag kanang kiwo pa nako at the moment. So that's one of the things that I've noticed. Another thing is that this is made of a like not sure rubberized coating. And same with kaning kuan niya, kaning ihang charging case. So has a rubberized coating. It's very nice though because it's not shiny, no fingerprints, feels premium. But usually kung yun ani, akong Zoom H5 or yeah, that was Zoom Zoom H5 kay in the next few years later on of its life, nahimo siyang murag sticky. Kani mo magamit mo siya pilit-pilit and magasamad-samad ang rubberized coating, and I don't like it. So yeah, this could be a pro at the moment, but the thing is what about later on is this is gonna be so annoying because this is gonna be like sticky awful thing, and it's the same with this transmitter. It has that, so yeah, take it with a grain of salt. Later on basig pilit-pilit na siya, lain na kasi tanahon. I think by that time imo na ning ibaligya pagkaglain. But yeah, it's nice. It would have been nice if kanang they just stick with the plastic covering, because this one, yeah, it makes it feel premium, but I'm really skeptical. Magpilit-pilit ko siya in the future. So yeah, other than that, I highly recommend it. I love it. I love how it's being implemented. I love na ang iyahang noise cancellation is like makuha nimo into levels. Like you can have high noise cancellation or low. So kung gusto kag naigamay noise cancellation, it's good. Dili na magrobot-robot ang tiyog uban kay bitang yung noise cancellation, so wala na full na yun ya murag blak 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 robot na imong tiyog ba. So I don't like it. This one has the levels and everything. So by kaning knife na ko by, this is what you call a deep clip. So what it does is i-clip din mo sa mong pocket. It's gonna go deep into your pocket nga dili makita ang knife, so it's gonna conceal the knife. So it's very good. And that's what I like about the Hollyland kaning kuan, Hollyland ga Lark Max 2. Ako sa gitang subos. So muni siya. This is the Hollyland Lark Max 2 and concealed ang microphone, di makita. DJI makita. DJI is so big and heavy. Lark Max 2 is just so tiny and lugos makita. So you see the difference. This one is so light and so good. That's why I really like it. So nice kani siya ba kay it's hidden. Look at that. So flush siya sa akong jacket. No, makita sab. Flush siya sa akong jacket and you don't see anything but the microphone's there and it's so light. Di siya magbitay. If I put it in my shirt like this, give me for the sounds. Okay. Naglisod. There we go. So if I put it in my shirt, di siya mo bitay, di siya mo kay di siya bugat. It's so light and then you can see that it's concealed. You don't see the microphone, it's just like a clip there. So that's good. So I was planning to show you everything that akong makita sad, but the thing is, as of now, I just got this a few hours ago. So this is my first impression, and I'm using it as the audio right now. I might tweak it a bit. I might tweak the audio a bit, put a bit of bass, but I don't know. I love it as it is, but yeah. I don't know. Di ba ko sure. Ako pa rin edit. Ako lang ibutang sa obos kung ako bang i-tweak gamay ang audio or not. But yeah, that's it.